Hi guys, today we are learning how to unblock someone on LinkedIn. First, unlock your phone and open the LinkedIn app. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you've blocked the person. Now, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. This will open the navigation menu for your LinkedIn account. From the menu, tap Settings to access your account preferences and privacy controls. Next, tap Visibility. This section contains settings related to your profile visibility and blocked members. Scroll down until you find the blocking option. Tap it to see the list of LinkedIn members you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap Unblock next to their name. LinkedIn will ask you to verify your identity before completing the action. Enter your LinkedIn account password and tap Confirm. The selected person will be removed from your blocked list and will be able to interact with your profile again. And that's how you can easily unblock someone on LinkedIn. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.